My name is Muhammad Ibrar Ishaq, and I'm an alumni of UWS London campus. And I have my own company registered with the name MII International Consultants, and we provide consultation services related to immigration and visas. And I've been doing this since I have graduated around 2022. I work as a consultant. These are related to we deal with all countries, especially Europe, Australia, Canada, US. Mostly I have clients from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal. I came in September 2022 session. I did my master's in IT from UWS in September 2022 batch. I was always interested in business, not much interested in doing some jobs and stuff. I was kind of a person who always wanted to work for his own self. So I was more interested in getting self-employed than to secure a job. So I started my company with the name MII International Consultants, which went very good. And currently it's flourishing, and I'm looking forward to expand that. Yes, the UWS had a great role in shaping my career because the teachers were very brilliant here, and they gave me a chance to enhance my skills in IT as well. I'm also working part-time as an IT consultant, which is also linked with my company. So that gave me kind of a confidence to grow up in my field. And yes, graduating from UWS was the best decision of my life. Well, people are so much afraid of taking risk in their life. So my advice to the youngsters or all the people who are coming to UK is that take risk. Risk will benefit you in either way. We've got our social media pages in Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Other than that, as concerned to my business, we work on link base. Like you're coming to me, you take my services, you get your visa, then you refer me to your friends. Okay, this is the guy, he's working and he's helping us getting this or achieving this visa. You guys can take help from that. So it works as a tree. So there are lots of branches of the tree, so it keeps on growing and growing. So I have my personal links as well. Other than that, we also do social media marketing, which brings clients to us. But mostly I work from my home. It depends if they need me in office for some meetings or stuff like that. I also visit my office as well, but mostly I'm working from home.